Hi guys, Nafisa here for AskYouFa.ng, and today we will be reviewing the Tecno Pouvoir 3. Now this phone is a reasonable upgrade from the Tecno Pouvoir 1 and 2, and it's got 5000 mAh battery. But besides what Tecno tells us that this device has, let's unbox it and I'll tell you more about it. Now that we've seen what's in the box, let's power up this device. Now I've had the Pouvoir 3 for over 5 days now, and it's safe to say I've used it to its maximum. The Pouvoir series has always been big on battery, and the 3 is no exception. With 5000 mAh battery, you are assured of ample screen time and an amazing gaming experience. Well, I did play a lot of games and watch a lot of videos. In a nutshell, the battery of the Pouvoir 3 is the truth, and I can authoritatively say that you can truly go 4 days on standby with just a single charge. The Pouvoir 3 runs on Android 8.1 Oreo and a 32GB ROM plus 2GB RAM storage, and of course, these features are supported by iOS 4.1. Now, as regards the look and feel of the Pouvoir 3, it has a glossy look, a 6.2-inch HD notch screen display, which is absent on the Pouvoir 2. Okay guys, it's time to get into my favorite part of a review, the camera. So now it's got 13 megapixels front and rear camera, AI enhanced and bokeh effect. But besides what Tecno is telling us about the camera, let's find out. I've got some really nice pictures. Are they nice? Are they not? You decide. So this is what the camera of the Pouvoir 3 looks like from the front. Hi guys, this is what the camera of the Pouvoir 3 looks like nighttime. It's lovely, right? I almost forgot. One feature I like about the Pouvoir 3 is you can listen to radio without the use of an earphone. Isn't that amazing? It basically has an internal antenna integrated into its system, which allows it to utilize available radio waves and feed it back to the tuner. So guys, that's it on my review of the Tecno Pouvoir 3. What's my rating? Well, pricing, design, camera, battery, and of course the OS included, I'd rate it 8 over 10. But what do you think, guys? For more videos like this, click the subscribe button below or follow us on Facebook and Instagram at AskYouFa.ng.